In this video, I'll discuss first 15 problems of 8th grand test. So many good questions are there in this. First of all, here see the options. One should have clarity over removable and irremovable discontinuities. So I will explain what is sign removable discontinuity example. If I define function like this, limit x tends to 0 f of x sin x by x, which is 1, but f of 0 is 2. So limit x tends to 0 f of x not equal to f of 0. F is discontinuous. What kind of discontinuity means? Removable discontinuity. How we can remove means, but redefining this functional value as 1, then we can make function continuous. So another type of discontinuity is jump discontinuity, which comes under removable. So here you take mod x by x, right limit you take +1, left limit -1. Limit does not exist, not continuous. So there is a jump. Before 0 it is -1. After 0 it is +1. There is a jump discontinuity. That kind of discontinuity cannot be removed. This is what about removable and irremovable discontinuity. Now let us see here. Limit x tends to 0 plus fx more than 0 means we can write not equal to 0 means lesser and greater both are included there. 0 plus if you take cos 0 1 x positive, so you get 0 minus f of x less than 0, mod x becomes minus x. So it is jump discontinuity which comes under irremovable discontinuity. So final answer is so in this question, two circles radii touching each other externally. Inscribed, what is the meaning? Suppose circle is inscribed in a triangle means it touches all the three sides. It is not like this, right? And here, what this curve represent? Once you square it, you get a unit circle. Right. So in this unit circle, we will write plus or minus. The upper part will be this, lower part equation is this. But he given upper part. So upper part here, right. Let me take little wider. So this is the center, and So he given it is a 1 unit circle, and he given b as half one of the circle radii. B as half means that circle can't be here. Once here it is half, so this is 1, which is lesser than this. So you cannot inscribe circle like this. That circle must be this. So B as half means its diameter will be 1, which is possible here. And other circle touch externally. Touch externally as well as inscribed. So it is inscribed as well as it should touch first one externally. So now what I am doing here, it is if I take this as x-axis, this as y-axis, its center will be 0 comma half. So what will be this? It is no doubt it is radius. He told radius is a. The C1 center will be here. It is C1, that is minus a. We don't know x. What we know is y coordinate. What is x means? Since bigger one, the circle which we have taken, so this radius is 1 unit, right? Right. So this is a. It will be 1 minus a. So this is a. This will be root of 1 minus a whole square minus a square. So 1 plus a square minus 2a minus a square, which is 1 minus 2a. That center becomes, and another circle center, since they touch externally each other. So here it is a minus half whole square. R1 is a, other R2 is half. Squaring both sides, you get a square plus a plus 1 by 4. A square get cancel, 1 by 4 get cancel. 1 is equal to 4a. So a becomes 1 by 4. And here, whenever he give a generalization, what I suggest you is, it is a function of theta. Alpha is just a number. I prefer alpha as 0. Y here is cos theta sin theta plus root of sine square theta. It becomes 2 sin theta cos theta, which is sine 2 theta. So y lies between. So answer where it is suitable for alpha 0. This is not cos 0 1, you will get 2. Here also not possible, not possible. So first option is correct. Otherwise, it is a very big problem. Squaring, simplifying, discriminant greater than 0, like that. 20 identical balls are distributed in 4 distinct boxes such that identical boxes, he told, so 4 identical boxes such that first box contains one ball, at least one, second contains at least two, third contains at least three, fourth contains at least four. So total here is 20. So if you remove 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 20 minus 10, this 10 balls has to be adjusted. The number of ways distribution can be done. So now you have 4 identical boxes. So in this, I have to adjust remaining 10 balls. This is no, he is not given any condition or restriction on the box. That box can hold this many balls. So it can vary from 0 to any number. In such case, so for this, you have a formula n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1, 10 plus 4 minus 1 c4 minus 1. So number of ways of distributing balls in 4 identical boxes is this. The radius of least circle passing through the point and cutting author. Least circle means radius is least, size is least, size means radius. Say this is unknown circle whose radius you have to find. Passing through 8, what all given informations are there, we should write. From here we get 16g plus 8f plus c, 16 plus 64, and cutting this circle orthogonally. So 1 and 2 intersect orthogonally. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is conditional for orthogonality. Here g dash 0, f dash 0, c dash minus 40. In the, sorry, it is given circle, right? G0, F0, C minus 40. So G dash, F dash, C dash minus 40. C dash is 40. Now, what has to be minimized? The radius has to be minimized. So here, I should make it as a function of single variable. When C is 40, 16G plus 8F plus 40 is minus 80. 8F is minus 120. 2G plus F is 15, right? So now in place of F square, you write which is equal to G square plus 225 plus 4G square minus 40. Right. We want least value of it, which you take 5 common, 12G plus 5 ones, 5 threes 15 is 37. I can write G square plus 2 times G into 6, 36 plus 1, which is 5 times. So whole square minimum is this. So radius minimum will be root 5. Here in case of ellipse, OB is a minor axis. F and F dash are foci. FB F dash is right angle. This is AE, it is B. So tan 45 degrees is B, here is AE. B square is, so 2E square is 1. Eccentricity. So this type of problems are very important for exam. Whenever step is there, you should have clarity that it is discontinuous at integers. 2 sin x can be integral values possible because sin x range is minus 1 to 1. 2 sin x will be between minus 2 and 2. Between these integral values of this. Now let us draw the graph of 2 sin x. Say this is 1 unit, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. So this is the graph. So where it is 1, sin x is half, that is at pi by 6, and 5 pi by 6, right? So here value is here it is pi by 6. Till pi by 6 it is less than 1. So when x lies between 0, oh no, it's not, he didn't start from 0, right? He started from pi by 2. So these are just more than 1. Till here is 1. These are all 1.1 like that it is. So between pi by 2 to 5 pi by 6, it is more than 1, step of more than 1, which is 1. Between 5 pi by 6 to pi, these values are less than 1. Step will be 0. And where sin x is minus 1, minus half, that is 7 pi by 6, it is minus 1. Till here is 2 sin x lies between. So I will write here 5 pi by 6, pi to 5 pi by 6, and it is minus 1.5 like that. It is 5 pi by 6 minus pi by 2 plus 0, 5 pi by 6 minus pi, 7 pi by 6 minus 5 pi by 6. It's 153 pi, it is 2 pi by 6 minus plus pi by 6. So it is 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi minus 6 pi minus 2 times, it is pi by 6 minus so answer is third option. So this vectors, this kind of question also very useful. Many times they asked this solving vector equations 0 bar b bar is parallel to this. So I can write here c bar minus d bar as some lambda d bar. So making dot product with a, both sides a dot d, he given it as 0, lambda becomes a dot c by a dot. From this, c bar will be d plus lambda b, which is d plus lambda Lambda we already calculated times b bar. But he's asking d bar, which is c bar minus a dot c by a dot b. So the first option is correct. Sigma k equal to 1 to 10 cos 2k pi by 11 minus 1 by I. 1 by I is I by I square. So minus I. Minus I can write plus I. These are all 11th roots of unity. Suppose you take one as cos 0 plus I sin 0, which I can write. So 1 power 1 by 11 cos 2k pi by 11 plus k equal to 0, 1 to so on 10. For each value of k, you get one root, but he's asking here from 1, we know that sum of nth roots, that is here sigma, let us say alpha k from 0 to 10, sum of all the roots is always 0. Like, for example, square root of 1, we take sum of the roots 0. Cube root of 1, you take 1 omega square, sum of the roots 0. For nth root of unity, sum of all these roots are 0. Here, if you put k as 0, cos 0 plus I sin 0, 1 plus k equal to 1 to 10 alpha k. So sigma k equal to 1 to 10 alpha k is, so this becomes minus I into minus 1, which is I. So fourth option is correct. This kind of problems, to write exhaustive cases, many of the children struggle to write denominator as 4 power 5 or 5 power. So whenever you are unable to understand theory type questions, you restrict lesser number. You instead of 5 toys, you consider 2 toys. So instead of 4 children, you consider 2 children. Right. So these 2 toys, let us say LM. LM can be given to X 0 or L toy to X, M toy to Y. Then here M, L. How many possibilities? That means first toy can be given to either X or Y 2 ways. Second toy can be given to square 4 ways. Still, because same are there, you get a trouble. Here 4 power 5, 5 power 4, okay, here identical we are not able to. You take 3 toys. Then LMN 0, 0 LMN, LMN, right? N LM. Persons are different. You are distributing among two different persons. So M LN, LN M. Here L NM, NM L. So if you count it also, you get 8 possibilities. So now based on this, you can generate a logic even before writing 5 power 4 or 4 by 5, you can rectify yourself to write a proper answer. So here each toy can be given to any one of 4 persons. So like that, 5 toys. So unless they mention, we have to consider distinct toys can be given to 4 persons in 4 power 5 ways. Condition here is while finding probability events favorable to E by exhaustive events. So here, what is E means each child must get at least one toy. Here, A, B, C, D, 4 children are there. At least one toy means like this possibilities. In each case, out of 5 toys, A will get any two, B will get one out of the remaining three. So this is 10 into 3 into 260, like that 4 possibilities, 240 base. So P of E will be 240 by how much? 4 power 5, 60, 4 15s by 4 cube, 64. Second option is correct. Two circles, 4 and 9, touch externally. Here you have a one circle. This is another circle. They touch externally. Each other. AB is a common tangent. So if two circles are touching externally, what is the information known? It is known as direct common tangent where both circles touch externally. It is R1, it is R2. Distance between centers is D. AB length will be under root D square minus R1 minus R2. Here, this circle radius is R1, this circle radius, and here you have a small circle whose radius you have to find out. Let us say its radius as R, then A, B, C. So, and another formula they touch externally means D equal to R1 plus R2. AB will be R1 plus R2 whole square minus this, which is 4 R1 R2, which is 2 root R1 R2. So here AC we can calculate by using R1 R. CB you can calculate R and R2. And AB it is related to R1 and R2. AB is AC plus CB. 2 root R1 R2 is 2 R1 plus root R2 of R. R here is root 9 into 4 by root 9 plus root 4. That is 6 by 5. It is root R. R will be 36 by 25. In triangle ABC, DE are midpoints of BC and AC such that BD is 2DC, right? That means BD by DC is 2 by 1. So this ratio, let us take one point as origin so that problem becomes easier. Then by section formula, 1 into 0 bar by 2 plus 1, which is 2C bar by 3. Right. P be the and AE is 3 times CC. Say it is 1, it will be 3. That means E position vector 3C bar plus A bar by 3 plus 1, 4 bar. Now AD and BE, they intersect at a point P. Then that ratio we want. B is to P is L is to M. Okay. First, how do we find this point? AD equation. So any line passing through 2 points is this. A bar plus T times 2C bar by 3. B equation 1 minus M into 0 bar plus M into 3C plus A bar by 4. Don't take same scalars. Compare A bar coefficients. We get this. Compare C bar coefficient. So in place of T, 9M by 8. 9M by 8 plus M by 4. So it is 2M, 11M by 8. M here is 8 by 11. So R bar will be M is 8 by 11, 3C bar A plus A bar by 4. 2 by 11 times 3C plus A. Position vector. Now we have to find BP, which is R bar minus 0 bar, which is 2 by 11 times A bar plus 3C bar. P will be OE bar minus OP bar. 3C plus A bar by 4. OP here is R bar, A bar plus 3C bar.